Hello, hope you guys are doing well. It's Lil Snipes, and today in this video you can see on the 15-minute time frame that we had a weekend. This was the weekend range, and that was Friday, the Friday dump, I believe. Yes, I am correct. Friday dump, weekend range. As you can see, Fibonacci retracement tool from the high, dragged it all the way to the bottom, the low. As you can see, we have retraced to the 618 multiple times, getting supported by the 0.5, finally reaching the 618, 65 golden zone, as most people like to call it. We then double topped at the 0.88, which is beautiful, although it's the weekend, so there's a lot of fake outs. Anywho, I saw this. I entered a short position. This is the 4 hours zoomed out. As you can see, it was very bearish week or month, I should say. And we had this one more leg down coming up to test that resistance. Anyway, this was the trade. Entered on that second high. And as you can see, stop loss just above the highs, giving it a bit of breathing room, nearly got stopped out. And then I was targeting the 618 because the rule of thumb is that when you hit that 0.88 level, you 9 times out of 10 retrace to the 618 golden zone. If you can hold that, then the highs are going to be taken, if we can hold it. But that's what I was targeting. As you can see, price hit the target perfectly, this golden zone over here. So that was a nice 1 to 3 RR. And then I decided to long here, as you can see. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is another day. So this was, the same day. Anyway, we got that rise. As you can see, retrace, that's the first wave up. Second wave coming down to, just look at that wick straight down to the 786. I mean, second waves always, not always, but they tend to hit that 786 level. So Fibonacci for this time from the bottom to the top of the whole move, we get these levels, the 0.5 golden zone, 7.8, and the 0.88 again. As you can see, we hit the 786 like I said, and then we got above the 618 and held it pretty well. I actually managed to get into a long, as you can see from this, just before we got that pump above the golden zone. I was personally targeting the highs, and here you can see we went from plus 500 to plus 2.2. I was yeah, that says it all. 1 to 13. Who do I think I am? Anyway, I've got to set an alert at the highs to see what happens. This was the trade. I decided to close most of my position here. I was up 4.4. I closed it because I'm more than happy with that. So didn't hit full TP, but still up 4 RR. I did close that, by the way. I don't know. Did take a screenshot of that. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's my summary. Any questions? As you can see, I was targeting a liquidity sweep above the golden zone, but obviously that didn't happen. We got rejected off the 0.5 level. We got rejected, and also off this resistance line. So there was 2 confluences for me to get out of the position.